Look at this, y'all. You see all those black mulberries on the ground? They're going crazy over them. This tree, they got hammered by the freeze earlier this year. Oh, look at that. But look at the black mulberries everywhere. I gotta come pick these. I should be doing this right now, rather than doing a video. Black mulberries put out again this year in the fall. The springtime, I barely got any. The freeze got them, and now they putting out again. Yeah, gotta watch. I see bird poop everywhere. I probably shouldn't be eating them raw like this straight off the tree, but you know what? That's what we used to do when we were kids. I guess I can still do it now. Look at these. That's great. All right, that's good. Hey, y'all, so it's November 1st, and look, I'm still loaded up with the mulberries. Unbelievable, huh? Look at that. Will you look at this? I mean, beautiful. Tastes great. Me and my dad came out here earlier and picked a bunch of them, and they still got tons of them on the tree. Look at them right there. Beautiful. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. Yep. November 1st. Mulberries everywhere. Crazy. I don't think these trees are supposed to put out this time of year, but they are. So let's see. There you go. November 1st. Alright, well, that's enough of that. The chickens have already eaten all the ones that fell on the ground. So they got their full.